Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will show you how to hide the Threads badge on Instagram. By now I'm sure you've heard about this Instagram Threads. It's pretty much similar to Twitter, where you can make an account and post threads, and a lot of people can comment and a lot of people can interact with you, and a lot of people can post on their Threads account. In this video I will show you how to hide it from your Instagram, so yeah, stick around to the end and we'll show you how to do that. So as you can see, I'm on my Instagram page. So now you just want to click where it says @ with all those numbers, and now we click on hide badge. Now it's going to bring this up saying remove badge, and yeah, you just click yes. So that's how you remove the badge on Instagram. It's not hard at all. So thank you for watching, and let me know how you think Threads will go. Do you think it's going to be the new Twitter? Do you think it's going to be popular, or do you think it's going to die? So thank you for watching, and that's it. Thank you. Bye.